Hi, I'm Dr. Samantha Hayes, educator, parent, and founder of Beyond the Screen Families. Did you know kids spend an average of 7 hours a day on screens? That's why I love this family engagement bag from SNS Worldwide. This is the junior literacy version, packed with hands-on, screen-free activities that make learning feel like play. Inside, you'll find a variety of high-interest books like Lyle Lyle Crocodile, literacy games like Bananagrams, a comprehension workbook with an answer key for the parents, and a notebook and pencil for reflection and creative expression. There's even a caregiver guide in English and Spanish with conversation starters and tips to keep families learning and connecting together. And the best part, kids don't even realize how much they're learning because it's that fun. These bags come in a variety of grade levels and subjects like math, STEAM, and SEL, so there's something for every family. Let's unplug, connect, and learn together.